Welcome to another video. In today's video, I am going to be mixing it up some. I'm going to be mixing some acrylic pouring with some resin. Let's see if it works.
So I have seen a ton of people do this on Instagram and I had to try it. Now, because I haven't actually done acrylic pouring before I go ahead and mix resin into it, I want to have a go with doing just acrylics. So the first go is going to be just acrylic pouring, and then the second one I'm going to go ahead and mix resin into it. So just to get the feel of acrylics, I have these two sets that I got off of Amazon, and I have selected 4 colors, 2 from each. So 2 are non-metallic and 2 are metallic colors. And I'm just using this canvas that I had lying around. It happens to be a hexagon shape. And yeah, I'm going to give these a good mix, open up the bottles, and the method that I'm using for the acrylic is just sort of pour the colors into the cup and layer them and then do like a ring pour. But like I said, I haven't used acrylic pouring paints before, so we'll see how it goes. So I've just layered my colors and I am doing a bit of a swirly ring pour, and the rest I've just put on the sides, and I'm going to go ahead and put some white on the edges as well and spread that out just so when I do the tilting there is some paint down on the canvas. And now for the fun part. Let's get tilting. So I already can see that I'm going to lose most of my dark metallic color, the copper color, as I tilt because it ended up being in the corner. But I do love the stripy effects that we have. It's very sort of wave-like, and yeah, I like how this is looking. I am going to move this to the side and let it dry. Once again, because I haven't had any experience with acrylic pouring before, I do not know how long it's even going to take for this to dry. Okay, so now we're ready to do the actual test, which is mixing pouring paints with resin. So I'm using the same colors just so we have consistency to compare both paintings. And I'm going to mix up my Jade Action Officials 4-hour demold resin. So it is the fast curing resin from Jade Actions, and I will leave you with a link in the description along with my discount code. And I'm going to mix them up and pour some into these colors, sort of as evenly as possible. And I'm going to give these colors a good mix. Now, as you can see, the white mixed in fine, but the grey taupe silvery kind of color just literally went solid on me. So it did flash cure and I won't be able to use that. But let's see how the others go. Yeah, the others seem fine. They seem really thick, but we're still going to do this. We're still going to see how this works. So the technique is going to be the same. I'm going to do the cup method and sort of ring pour these out. If you like such content, please make sure you like, comment and sub, because I'm doing the test so you don't have to. And once again, I'm spreading some on the sides and just layering it, and I'm going to start tilting now. And hopefully you can see how sort of lumpy and thick this is. Honestly, at this point, I do not have much hope for this. I don't think this is going to cure properly. It might end up being sticky and all sorts. But yeah, so this is what this looks like. Now, because this is resin, I will give this a little torch and leave it to cure. Whether it cures or not is a whole other story. But I will be back the next day to show you guys how this experiment went.
The next day.
Okay, so this is how the acrylic one dried. It actually took about 24 hours, so it wasn't too bad. And yeah, I quite like it. I mean, for my first attempt, I'm not mad. I'm actually not mad at all. I like the veins and the stripiness. It's a shame I lost the other copper color. I would have loved some of that to bring in some contrast, but yeah, like I said, I'm not mad at all. Plus, it was a lot of fun. Now for our resin one. So you guys, it did end up curing. As you can see, there's a lot of texture to it, especially at the top. It has this grainy texture, which is not lumpy. It's just consistently grainy, which kind of even potentially could look intentional.
That was the plan. Not a great plan.
and it actually cured. No sticky spots. It actually cured fine. And I'm really, really surprised, because if you saw when I was putting this down on the canvas, it looked like it wouldn't cure at all. So pleasantly surprised. Apparently it works. Apparently you can put resin in acrylic pouring paint and it works. At this point, I'm contemplating to add some crystals in some portions just to highlight them, and doing another flood coat of resin. But let me know if that would be fun, if you'd like me to do that. But yeah, I can say that it was a successful experiment. I shall see you in the next video. Bye.